Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth, bringing you another product description. As it's Christmas, we're looking at Aynsley Christmas figurines. You've got a small and a large unboxing, so let's upwards to that. Now these can range from anything from a £5 in the sales through to the standard £20. Okay, so we'll have a quick look. Alright, so this is Saint Nick with two children and a hymn book. It's got the Aynsley sticker underneath. It's kind of like quite light actually. I was going to go for the little one, unboxing of that. There's no nasty tape to get my box cutter into. Right. Oh dear. First things first. Right, so you've got all that big box for a tiny little ornament. So what you've got here is, it's got a Saint Nick there, it's got the Aynsley UK on that. And he's just sat there. And I have created a bit of snow in the background as well. So that's a quick look at that Aynsley. I mean, that one kind of feels plasticky, I don't know. I'm not sure about that one does feel like, you know, it was handmade in Britain and something like that. But I don't know these days. It says made in Britain, could be made in China. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, and I'll zoom in on a little bit more detail for you. It's got a little present there. And that one there. He's got his little cat. Cool. Okay, thanks for watching. Catch you later.